Suno is back with new updates that I want to share with you. They've introduced something called Workspaces. This is a new way to organize all of your songs in one place. For instance, if you're focusing on creating an album, you can create a dedicated work area to collect all of your album songs. Here's how to do this. In the Create section, your library is now set to My Workspace by default. When you're creating a song, there's now a drop-down menu that either allows you to keep the song in the default workspace or to create a new workspace. Click on it, name your workspace, and then click the Create button. Newly created songs will automatically be placed in the new workspace. And if you want to go back, click the button on the left, and now your workspaces will be split up into two dedicated areas. Songs can be pinned to the top, or they can be moved to another workspace by clicking the three dots. If you want to move multiple songs at once, hold down the Shift key on your keyboard and select all of the songs that you want to move, click the three dots, and then move it to the workspace of your choice. The next new update is related to lyric generation. If you decide to let Suno write the lyrics for you, clicking on Write with Suno, instead of being provided with just one song, you're now provided with two different options that you can select from. You can either accept either one, or if you're not satisfied with either of them, click the Write Lyrics button. Suno will get to work generating new lyrics for you to choose from. If you got value out of this video, consider subscribing to my channel so you don't miss when new content goes live. And if you're looking to learn more about getting creative with AI tools, I have more content available that you can click on right here.
We don't need no education, Grandpa Johnson does. Sitting in his little red scrubs, not fooling anyone. Why does he hide under my bed if his back hurts so bad? Let's call Grandpa on the old stone rolling. Let's call Grandpa on the old stone rolling. Oh, stone rolling. Hello, Grandpa, it's been a while. Your math homework's all worked out for the best. But where are you now? And why have you gone away? Let's call Grandpa on the old stone rolling. Let's call Grandpa on the old stone rolling. But where are you now? And why have you gone away? Let's call Grandpa on the old stone rolling. Let's call Grandpa on the old stone rolling. Let's call Grandpa on the old stone rolling. Hello, stone rolling. Let's call Grandpa on the old stone rolling. Yeah, let's call Grandpa on the old stone rolling. 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 wind. Let's call Grandpa on the old stone road.